Alright guys, so this is the zoom test between the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Both rock a 5x optical zoom, but Xiaomi's taking it to the next level with a crazy 120x digital zoom, while the S25 Ultra tops out at 100x. Let's see which one actually wins the zoom battle. This is the zoom video from the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max shot in 4K at 60 frames per second. Now switching over, this is the Galaxy S25 Ultra, also in 4K at 60 frames per second. Alright, moving on to photos. Here are some zoom shots from both phones side by side. Take a look at the details, the sharpness, and the colors. Notice how each phone handles things differently. I'll let you guys decide which one looks better to you. So which one actually impressed you more? The Xiaomi with that insane 120 times zoom, or the Galaxy S25 Ultra with its classic Samsung processing? Drop it down in the comments. Team Xiaomi or Team Galaxy? I'm checking them all.